Hmm. Good evening, all of you. All right. I'm Kiran Kumar Tati, faculty for CSAT. And CSAT includes all arithmetic reasoning, right? You are the aspirants of CSAT. Yeah, that means UPSC, right? Okay. Uh, well, I think you have completed degrees, your graduation, right? You are the graduates. And regarding UPSC, right? Definitely till your that is schooling, that is basic schooling. In general, it should be perfect. That means um, it doesn't mean in which stream you are in intermediate or graduation, but till 10th class, it should be definitely your schooling must be good. Okay, so now you say, how many of you confidently passed 10th class? Perfectly passed. Uh-huh. Okay. Raised even. Okay, fine. Again, I'm going into this particularly regarding maths. How many of your that is perfectly you attempted 10th class? That means not 10 out of 10 means that is, but uh, confident. 10 out of 10. Is it your marks or your definitely exam? That means your own. Okay, okay, fine, fine. The point now is the CSAT is nothing but your aptitude. Okay. It doesn't mean it is mathematics, your mathematics, 10th class mathematics, but it is something different. But I can't judge you your skills or cognitive skills, what are the skills, logical skills, just by taking one random question. But since you people are already collectively passed your 10th class, definitely you have some basic school knowledge regarding mathematics. Okay. Logical skills develop with mathematics only, background. Though it is aptitude is not purely mathematics. Aptitude is not purely mathematics, but the logical skills will be developed based on your numerical ability, your mental ability, that is. Right? So, what I mean to uh, make a point is that I don't know who you are, how much capability or ability or aptitude you have. Okay. For that reason, first, suppose if you are going to, if you have a problem with some in your that is in your body, you'll go to doctor. Definitely, he write. Okay, he write some prescription. First aid he will give, and again he write in the bottom. Right, go for this testing. Okay, complete blood sugar. That is a complete blood picture, fasting blood sugar, like that. They'll give that one. Is it not? There's nothing but diagnosis test. So what is your body? That is, he has to first of all assess that one. Same way, I have to assess your ability first of all, who you are, where you are, how much you are. But the point is, I'll assess or diagnose your ability now. First of all, later on we'll switch over to our style of learning. Okay, that is CSAT. CSAT comes from your basic schools learning only. Okay, so your first target or first uh, activity, I can say activity is that I have to test your abilities. So you should basic school 6th to 10th, whatever you learn, right? Are you confident about your maths then? Okay, that is a little bit okay, fine, right? And while I'm giving the question, Okay, you have to try. You have to try the question in any other manner. You have to try the question, give the answer. That is, you should not sit blank. And do you think that whatever you are doing that one on the paper, is it your knowledge or your school teacher's knowledge? First of all, leave that one. I went to so much in-depth question. How many of you have fear about maths? No, two, three. Fear. Why you got fear? Now, because tables. The tables will be there. Okay, whatever the case is, fear we got only because how many of don't have. That is, how many of are confident about your mathematics skills? Okay. Now I'll say those. What about boys? How many of you are confident? 100%. Huh? Ah. Okay. Why you are confident means it is not because of your availability, it is your teacher's ability that is. That day your teachers are there, which good teachers are there, that's why good learning will be there. That's all. Regarding mathematics. I'm not saying about social or English or like that. I'm saying only if you are bad about mathematics, it is only because of your teacher. Not it is not you. Whatever you are reflecting now, if I'm in the question, it is only because you are reflecting your teacher, not you. Okay. Kabate, we are happy. What if you give the wrong answer, also happy. Okay, because it is because of your teacher, that's all. It is not that you haven't learned correctly. They didn't taught you correctly, that is. Okay, that is the only thing. So don't feel shy to give whatever it is in your brain. You have to put it on paper. That is what I need, first of all, because this is an institution where, okay, so they are going with one social responsible activity is there. So even I should have the responsibility. What you are, I have to test first of all this one. Okay, so this is not just this one, but with this one I can assess. Okay, you are at this stage, so I can lift you to next stage. That is okay. So are you ready now? Okay, shall we start? So you make a um, the heading as right. Uh, we can we'll go with self-diagnosis test. Self, that means you only diagnose yourself. That is diagnosis test. You make a note of that is self-diagnosis test. Just like your normal medical test. Okay. Don't feel shy. First of all, I'm saying the without giving the question only, I'm saying don't feel shy. Just whatever it is in your brain, put it on the paper. It is not you, it is your teacher only. That's what I'm saying. Do you know about your teachers in sixth class teacher, maths teacher? We don't know about social teacher, but we know about the maths teacher. Is it not? Okay, that's what. So be confident and give the answers. Right. Let us see that one. Okay. Take this one. One fourth of. I won't write. Just you write. One fourth of two-third of a number. One fourth of two-third of a number. One fourth of two-third of a is number is 30 30 is 30 30. Find the number, that is find the number. Just you give first you write the question, right? One fourth of two-third of a number is 30 30. It is. Uh, don't stop. Whatever it is in your mind, you put on a paper. That's all. Okay. Okay. That is 1/4 of 2/3 of a number is 30. You see, generally, it is a true translation. If you do that one, 1/4 means 1/4. Then of means into 2/3, 2/3 of into a number. A number is taken as x. That's all. So put it as x is equal to 30. 1/4 of 2/3 of a number is equal to 30. Find the number. So we have to solve this one. So it is 2/12. 2/12 x or 2x by 12 is equal to 30. 2 ones, 2 sixes. That's all. X by 6, 30 means x is how much? 16 to 30. That is 180. If you get 180, you give 5 marks. Those who got 180, you can give 5 marks, right? Those who wrote this equation but didn't get the answer, this equation, those who, because I have to give marking for them. Those have done this one, 1/4 into 2/3 into x is equal to 30. Later on, answer is changed, no problem. You give 3 marks. Entire, if you got 180, put it as 5 marks. Those who couldn't even write the equation, no problem. You, first of all, if you understand the question, give 1 mark, otherwise no. Okay. So you are giving marks to whom? To yourself or to your teacher? Your teacher, not you, that is your teacher. Give marks to your teacher, right? Okay. Those who taught that one. Fine. Right? So I think good enough. That is fine. Let us go with now little bit English will be there, English and again mathematics. Both will be there, right? Let us go with this one. A number exceeds a number exceeds 20 a number ex a number exceeds a number exceeds 20% of itself 20% of itself by 40 find the number. A number exceeds 20% of itself by 40. Don't give the answer. If you get the answer, just raise a hand. I'll come and see your note. Okay. Don't give the answer directly. It will influence others' answer. If you got the answer, raise a hand. I'll come and see. A number exceeds question. A number exceeds 20% of itself by 40. Find the number. Find the number. Okay. Show me your answers. Who got? Answer. Got it. Yeah. Right. Okay. So you take the options as A. A. Options. Right. 200. B. 33.33. C. 50. D. None of these. C. The point is, what is your answer? Then first give the answer. Who got 200? How many of you got 200? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 members, okay. Well, let it be that is. How many of you got 33.33? 1. Nobody. 33.33. 2, 3, 4. And then, oh, again 4. No, everybody said 4. 33.33. Okay, how many got 50? You got 50. Right? 2 members, okay. None of these. You have answer, but it is none of these. How much? Different answer. Not 3. Okay, good. There you have that one, right? So these are your teachers. These are your teachers, what they taught you, or, right? Definitely, we should not blame them, but we learn like that, that's all. Okay. The point is, it is not only our teachers, it is the competitive world what you made like this. The competitive world, if you see it in YouTube, you'll give a perfect wrong answer. The first perfect wrong answer is, there are perfect wrong answers and only one correct answer is there in this. Which is the correct answer? Oh, we don't know that. Okay, okay. That is right. So we are that much perfect that we don't know it is the wrong one. That is okay. The problem is that one. Now, you just see and right. Don't bother about your answer. It is your teacher answer, not ours. Okay. Remember here, a number exceeds 20% of itself by 40 means 20% is just equal to 40. The number is always how much percentage? 100%. So 100% means how much? 22's 40, 102's 200. So your answer is 200 is first perfect wrong answer. First perfect wrong answer. Okay, why we got like that? We got like that because we are tuned to your, that is just we are reading the question, just you are saying a number exceeds 20% of itself, 40 means directly 20% is 40, 100% is how much? Or 20% of x is 40. Some ఇది ఉంది కరెక్ట్. I'll go with, okay, I'll go with add, that's all. Okay, right. So what is the question? That is 20% 40, that is a 20% 40. So 100% how much? You didn't read the question perfectly and you got the answer as 200. And somebody said directly 20% of number is x is equal to 40 and you got x is equal to 200. Okay. You didn't read the question properly. That is a problem with you. Okay. Problem is that one, first of all. And some people are making, right, directly. The question is not actually 20% of a number is 40, find the number. It is a number exceeds 20% of itself. Right? Okay. Exceeds means what? Exceeds means what? Right? That's what. So a number exceeds 20% of itself by 40 means number is how much? Number is x. So we have to add 20% of x, which is equal to 40. Right. So now x plus 20% x. Right. I'm going a little bit fast. Okay, no problem. The point is we have this. Yeah, that is x plus 20% of x X can be taken as how much percentage of itself? A number is always 100% of itself. That's why if I add this 100% also, nothing changes. 100 plus 100% plus 20%, how much? 120% of x is equal to 40. So your x is nothing but 40 into 100 by 120. 40 ones, 43 is 100 by 3 is your answer, which is nothing but 33.33, or you can say 33 1 by 3. Right? So 33 1 by 3 is second perfect. Second perfect. See how confident you are that you don't know. Okay, right? So it is not correct. It is perfect. Wrong. Second perfect. Wrong answer. Okay, because since you got the answers, I made the same options there. Okay, where you have gone wrong? Where you have gone wrong? See, your voice is that much confident that even perfect people, those who have done, they are a little bit worrying about their answers. Those who have perfectly done, but they are not confident about that. I'll let you know about that one. First of all, where you have done this wrong? Do you know that one? While starting the question, I asked, a number exceeds 20% means exceeds means what? I said, you said what you said? What you said? Addition. That is wrong. Teacher learned, our teacher says, exceeds means what? Add. That is, what is reduces means what? Separate. This is the main mistake what our teachers has done. For that reason, you got the perfect wrong answer. Okay. Shall I let you know how English, that is, how to learn English well? That is, just see your question. A number exceeds 20% of itself by 40. Okay, I'll how to erase this one? I have to put eraser. Then okay, select. Okay, right. Okay. Then one thing. Okay, okay. Then okay. Yes. Okay, fine. Good. Right now, you see, a number means what? Right? Exceeds 20% of itself. 20% of itself means 20% of x. I'll take these two are different entities. Say that, suppose, I'm use the word exceeds. Exceeds. Your sister's age exceeds your age by 4 years. Your sister's age exceeds your age by 4 years. What do you mean by that one? Your both addition is 4 years or difference is 4 years? Difference between your age and your sister's age is 4 years, or addition is 4 years? Difference is that is a problem. So difference, instead of difference, you made addition. That's all perfectly gone wrong. Okay. Now we have to make difference or what? Yes, difference. That's why x minus 20% of x is equal to 40. Now you say the same style. X is how much? 100%. 100% minus 20%, how much? 80%. 80% of x is equal to 40. So x is how much? 40 into 100 by 80. That is 41s, 42s, 2 ones, 250s. So your answer is 50. 50 is a 50 is a 50 is a huh? Again wrong answer. Huh? Okay, good. So it is a perfect answer, right? So 50 is a perfect answer. I think only two people got. Here nobody got. Is it not? So no, boys nobody got, but only two people got. You are not confident about your answer. You are not confident. Once they said, you feel a little bit nervous. Is it not? Okay, that is a problem. Okay, you should say whether it is perfect or not. You should be very confident about your answers, right? That is learning wrong also should be perfect. Since you are perfect, I can make you correct, that is making a right path, no problem. Everybody is perfect, but giving wrong answers. Okay, no problem. So Now understood this one? That is, if somebody got any other answers, anybody is there? Any doubt? Right? So this is what we learn, what our teachers taught like that. That is a problem, right? Where to use addition, where to use subtraction is a problem. Clear? So again, give 5 marks, 3 marks, 1 mark, 0 mark. I think almost all you, only 2 persons got 5 marks now. Okay, be cautious, right? Here it is not actually, it is a exceeds by. The phrase exceeds by is the main point. Okay. Now let us go with another one. So, do you know that we have completed sixth class and seventh class? First question is sixth class. This question is seventh class. Okay. Coming to the eighth class, right? Take the one. Right? Let us see. Actually, some people, right, that is studying ninth, they jump direct to 10th. How many people are there like that? Anybody is there? Eighth to direct 10th. Some people must have been like that. Okay. Okay. Right. Fine. Fine. Right. So maybe maths is a little bit no problem, but others you feel a little bit. It is actually theory part will be there in ninth class, but in 10th class again practicals comes generally for any subject. Okay. Now, are you ready now? Two questions are over, right? What our teachers taught is on the paper now. Okay. Take the one. See, point is, I let you know the first question is there, no? Actually, after learning entire arithmetic, no, you won't do that first question. After learning all these things, you do in different fashion, and YouTube has come a what do you call a savior for all competitive this one, but it is making you in a wrong direction. But people don't know about that one. Okay, let us see this one. Let us see this question, then we decide. Okay. Mm. When when 14 1 4 when 14 is added to a number, when 14 is added to a number, it becomes it becomes 5 by 4th 5 by 4th it becomes 5 by 4th of the original number. 5 by 4th of the original number. Find 25%. Find 25% of the original number. Find 25% of the original number. I repeat the question, just see the question. When 14 is added to a number, comma, it becomes 5 by 4th of the original number. What is 25% of the original number? So if you get the answer, you just give, you show me the, right? Question yeah, question is okay. That is your answer. How? Yeah. 13 point. No. 21. Ah. Yeah. One person, first person got 14. Second, how much? Any other answers? 56. C 28. D 42. Take the options. You write the options also. Sometimes aptitude is, I think your faculty says UPSC nothing but unpredictable. There is. So UP nothing but unpredictable. Okay. So unexpected like that. Sometimes they'll go with the basics and they'll ask some questions, right? How much? None of these. Okay, right. So maybe somebody got 14, somebody got some other answers. Good. Somebody got 56. No, right? Okay, good. Since the question is a little bit, right, we can transform into equation. You can write the question. There, you can get the answer. Here, here, what is that one? When 14 is added, number, number is taken as x. Then it becomes, the value becomes 5 by 4th of or x. That is, the original number is x. That's all. And what the question is, what is 25% of that number x? Okay. Those who wrote the equation, you can give 3 marks. First point, this is, if you wrote this equation and this one, you give 3 marks. If you couldn't, punish your teacher. No, okay, all right. Now, solving this one is another problem actually. Solving, right? 14 plus x is 5 by 4th of x. Okay, so can I transfer this 4 that side cross multiplication? Okay, so 4 into 14 plus x is equal to 5x. 4 into 14 is 56 plus 4x is equal to 5x. 5x minus 4x is x is 56. But are they asking about the number or 25% of the number? 25%. So I need 25%. 25% nothing but 1 by 4 of that is 56. So it is again 4 ones, 4 ones, 4 fours. So the answer is 14. So 14 is a perfect answer. No problem. Okay. Clear, right? But I got a doubt. Just clarify this one. You, first you write. Okay. Now, just observe all whatever you learn in your basic school studies is very important for your aptitude actually, right? Here, the question started with which number? When 14 is added to a number, again we got what is your answer finally? If you put here 20, will you get same 20 here? That's what. Will you get it or not? Who says? Will you get, if I put here 25, will you get 25 here? Who says yes? Who says no? How many say it is yes? Just now you said. That means other says no. Oh, uncertain. 'uncertain. 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 ' No, you won't get like that. Okay, how many are uncertain? You clarified. You okay, fine. The point is not actually, the point is not we, if you are purely mathematical, you say it is wrong and you are uncertain. But it is, if you are aptitudely perfect, the question lies not in actually this one, the question lies in 5 by 4. That is in the 5 by 4. The exact answer is in 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is 1 by 4. Nothing but 1 by 4. 1 plus 1 by 4. Why it became 1 by 4? Because of addition of 14. 1 by 4 is how much percentage? 25%. That's why you got the same answer. So your answer won't miss. The actual arithmetic or actual aptitude not lies in the general numbers. It lies in the fractions. It lies in the fraction. Fraction is nothing but ratio. Ratio is ratio proportion. That is what your aptitude is. Okay, so we discuss about the ratios later, but the point is the crux of the entire this question lies in the fraction. Lies in the fraction, what we learn, that is. Clear, right? I said about the crux. Okay. Now, I think you know about fractions. You know about fractions, right? Just observe. I'm saying first I'll give the options A, B, C, D. How many questions over? Huh? 3 are over. Okay. How many of you got 15 out of 15? Not it. Okay. Okay. How many of you got 10 out of 15? Okay, fine. Now let us go with. I'm going with the A. It is plus. B. It is multiplication. Plus and multiplication. Can't say. These are the options now. I'm giving the options first. Now the question is, suppose it is, if I'm taking the fraction, say that is 7. No. Again, always. If I take a fraction like, say that is 3 5 by 7. 3 5 by 7. In between the 3 and 5 by 7, in between 3 and 5 by 7, right? Which sign lies in between them? Is it plus or into or both plus and into and a D? Take the answer. You give the answer. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Those who says both, okay, fine. Those who says into, that's fine. Those who says plus, fine. How many of you can't say the answer? Anybody is there? Nobody is there. So I'm reviewing the options. How many of say it is plus? Plus. Who says plus? Who says plus? No. Okay. Nobody is there. Okay. How many of say it is into? Into. Okay. Into. How many of say it is plus and into? Both. Almost 100% says, or 90% says. This is the first perfect shortcut which we learn in a wrong way. Okay, that's why you said that is a 90% are perfectly wrong. Now you should not say, ma'am. Okay, that is time is up. Okay, that is so 3 5 by 7. If I'm making that in between, what it will be there means it is and generally what our notion is 7 into 3 plus 5. So into is there, plus is there. That's why uh, we forgot our basics. That's all. If you learn like that, we forgot our basics. 3 5 by 7 is actually it is 3 plus 5 by 7. It is 3 by 1 plus 5 by 7. So it is LCM 7, 7 3 is 21 plus 5. That is how much? 26 by 7. If you learn like this, no problem. But if you learn that shortcut now, you miss the basics. That's why you are perfectly wrong now. If the same person gives in the UPSC, definitely 99% says option C only. Just like you. Okay. So what is your answer? It is only just this plus. 2.5 liter petrol. 2.5 liter petrol means, is it a 2 plus half or 2 into half? 2 liters plus half. That is a not basic common sense. That's. If you make 2 into now, how many? Yeah, there is multiply 2 into 1 by 2. What happens? Just like Pawan Kalyan sharing that milk to Brahmananda. Okay, that happens like that. Okay, never do this. Basics you should be foundation should be perfect. Now, how many questions are over? 4. Okay, now be cautious about. A number is a number is 68% of other number. A number is 68% of other number. The sum of those two numbers, the sum, SUM sum of those two numbers, the sum of those two numbers is 84% of 500. 84% of 500. Find the bigger number. Find the bigger number of the two numbers. Find the bigger number of the two numbers. I repeat once again. Is 84% of 500. Find the bigger number of the two numbers. Don't give the answer. If you got the answer, raise your hand. I'll come. Sure. సెల్ ఫోన్ ఏది ఎక్కడ చూసాను పర్లేదు ఏదేంతో చేసావా దేంతో చేసావా ఓకే హౌ ఎలా ఆప్షన్స్ ఓహో if I give options you will do no which is bigger X is bigger how can you say X is bigger which is X? First number is taken as X. Y is bigger. Okay. The point is, first of all, which is bigger, we don't know. There is a, which is bigger? X is bigger or Y is bigger? Y. Y. A number is 68% of number. That's why Y is bigger. A number is 120% of other number. Then also Y. Good. First of all, X is bigger or Y bigger decides by your taking of which is X. Okay. A number is 68% of other number. Okay. Of Y. Clear. That's it. A number is 68%. I think everybody wrote in the same manner, right? Okay, that is. Then the sum of those two numbers, that means X plus Y. It is X plus Y is how much? It is 84% of 500. This is another one. Okay, fine. Find the bigger number of the two. Okay, first of all, I need the bigger number in both of X and Y, which is bigger? Y. Okay, that is X is 68% of Y. Y is how much percent of Y? Y is how much percent of Y? Any number is how much percent of itself? Out of 100 and 168, which is bigger? 100. So we need to find out which one? Y. It is not X now. Okay. It is not X. It is, first of all, we have to find out Y. So why you're finding Y, you should know. Okay. That is, since this is the bigger. Okay, fine. Now the case is X plus Y is how much? 84% of 1. What is your answer then? What, got this one answer as? 1312. What is your answers? What are your answers then? Once you got this one, you should get the answer. You have made it in ratio, kada? You have made it in ratio. Ratio. You have done with ratio. Options, huh? Okay, A, B, C, D. First option, 170. Second option, 220. C, 250. D, 200. Answer? If you could write up to here, take 3 marks. Without answering and saying, if you could write this one and this one, take 3 marks, no problem. Okay, it is not free gift. That knowledge is enough. That's it. Solving is a big problem actually, everybody. Somebody got 42,000 by 25, gone somewhere. Thousands, right? That is a problem, I know. Okay, that is very simple. There is nothing there, nothing in that one. Only one or two, one student is there who could do in a ratio manner. But okay, see, the point of this problem is you're going and it is not ending there. Generally, it takes half of the page, nearly. Is it not? More than in general, whatever the space you take, it is double the space or triple the space you have to take. But you're not confident about the answer. But see this one. See this one. Sum of those two numbers means we need X plus Y. Is it not? X plus Y. This is what we call the technique of what saving the calculations. Calculations should be saved. Instead of 5 steps, you have to make it in 2 or 3 steps. That is saving the calculation, what we call. So this x plus y is how much means 68 plus 100, how much? 168% of what? Y. It is 168% of y. But this is equal to what? 84% of 500. You got 84% of 500 as 420. But the method is 420 actually. The method of finding is 420. Okay, you should not go in the 420. See this one. This is the 168% of y is equal to 84% of 500. See, on both sides of the equation, percentage is there, cancel. Half is there, cancel. 168, 84. 84 once, 84 twice. 2 once, 250s over. Here y is there, here 250 is there. So your y is how much? That is y is 250. It's a single step. Once we learn this one, it will be, we should have taught like that. Or minimum side, you have learned this one. This is the technique what we have learned that one, but our teachers didn't tell that one. Okay, it is not only you, myself also sometimes. Okay, sometimes. But I got a good teachers, no doubt. No doubt I got a very good teachers from my basic school, that is from 4th class itself. Okay, it is not your mistake, I'm saying that's what. It is your teacher's mistake. So how many, so will you marks your teachers now? Total 5 questions are over. Shall I give the marks for them or another one question is taken? Okay, and let us take one question again so that, okay, even we have to even your English teacher is very important. English teacher is also important because they made us to learn the English now. Using in maths also, that should be right. Okay, let us take another one question on that one. Okay, that understood this one, right? But actually, if once you transform into an aptitude student, now you are mathematical student, but once you transform into a aptitude student, right? Then how you'll do? Some people, maybe here or online, some people are doing the same question, but they must have done like this. Okay, they have done 84% of 500 watt, just like you, they calculated. Sum is how much? 420. But if they take this one 420, we should not take percentage there. So x by y, x is how much? 68% of y, right? The meaning of this one is x by y ratio is 68 by 100, which is nothing but 17 by 25. 17 by 24, 4 17s, you know about fourth table. 4 17s, 425. So 17 by 25. X is, if x is 17, y is 25, the sum of those two numbers is how much now here? Here sum is how much? 42. 42 equivalent to how much? 420. Out of this one, which is bigger? 25. So 25 equivalent to how much? 42 tens 420. 25 tens how much? 250. In the later classes, you will transform to this method. This is what we call ratio proportions. Percentage is transformed to ratios. Percentage are transformed to ratios. X is to Y is 17 is to 25. Okay, this is the way you have to learn or transform. Though you don't know about the basics, no problem. But my point is that minimum that equation must be learned. That equation, 3 marks, we got 3 marks. Okay, that's enough. That is, we don't need answers. We need only that ability to write the equation. Okay. So this is this is the next level of the cases we can do like this. Now take the question, the last, the 6th one. A number when divided by 4 a number when divided by 4, it, comma, all right, put comma, reduced, it reduced by 20, it reduced by 21. Reduced by 21. Find the number. 21. Just give the answer. No, 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 wait, wait, wait. A. Which one? Well, right. Answer, that is 28, 21, 56, 84. 80. So, again, we have to punish our English teacher if we say 84. Okay. Reduced by. What is actually, it is not actually in English, but math teacher again. Reduced by. This is nothing but, actually, in this class only you have learned. Previously, we have done exceeds by. First question. Second question, I think so. Second question. G. A number exceeds 20% of itself by. Exceeds by means more by, increased by. There. Here I said reduced by. That's all. Means what? Is it again difference or not? Difference. Right? A number, when divided by 4, a number is there, x. When it is divided by 4, what happened means, what happened the value? The value originally is x. It reduced by how much? The two translation of the question into equation. A number when divided by 4, what happened the value? It value equals to how? It means what? X reduced by 21. Now give the answer. Now, so answer is right. We have learned one point, that is today in the sample diagnosis test itself. We learn what do you mean by reduced by, exceeds by. That means you have to take the difference. Increased by. Increase. This is very important. Of there is, see, the some standard books are there which have gone perfect wrong answers. So I won't suggest any books like generally, right? Definitely you'll have, if you want competitive aptitude means you'll have one book. That is, you'll have that book. Okay, so they have made some perfect wrong answers. So they're not changing their attitude. Why should I suggest the book then? Okay, right? So I can't go with this one. So be perfect, and definitely whatever UPSC designs, it is based on your basics only. It won't go beyond that one. Okay, so be cautious while using these phrases, reduced by. Okay, this is actually the 6 questions. Okay, right? But you add 7, but you give only, first of all, you give your scoring now 6 5 30 marks out of 30 points. Don't say 30 marks, 30 points. How many points you got? Just score. Give the score. Give your scores. Okay. 21. C. 14. Good. How much? How much your teacher got? How much your teacher got? 10. How much your teacher got? 14. Your teacher got 21. Right? Is it digestible now? How much your teacher got? 10. Yes. How much your teacher got? 11. Oh, how many your teachers got? That means 6th, 7th. The main teachers who are culprit or who got the prize or rewarded should be rewarded is 6th, 7th, and 8th. That's all. 6th, 7th, 8th. The teachers generally. I gave all the questions only from that point, that is 6th, 7th, and 8th. Okay, 9th and 10th. 9th and 10th only comes only if you learn 6th and 7th, 8th perfectly. Some people will go with the 10th directly and they will do wonders. Why? Because tuition master, not teacher. There is a tuition master. He will give all the basis, then he will do. So you reward your tuition master also. Okay, there is. Point is, the teachers I'm saying there is. Okay, how much your teacher got? How much your teacher? 15. Okay. See that now, if your teachers got, right, more than 9 marks, right, your aptitude is good. That is, more than 9 is enough. Your aptitude is good. Okay, by sparing some, that is, I'm saying that this much is enough for us. What is 30? You're saying, what is 1/3 of 30? In CSAT also 1/3 now you need. That is 10. Okay, that is more than 9 means 10 only, no? Okay, so that is definitely ours is a intelligent, right? This one only. Okay, so definitely that's enough for us, right? We don't need all the subject. We need intelligent way to get the marks. That's all. 1/3 is enough. Okay. Now take the last question. Take the last question, not for marking. That is okay. Now have you gone this one? Have you given the marks like this 9 out of 30 around? Say good and put good for your teacher, right? Reward them, no problem, because they are the teachers what we have to, right? So please, okay, you have to respect your teachers, right? But don't blame those who got less than 9. What you will do, right? Teacher face. Teacher face. It happens like that. We discuss one later in the classes, right? Take the another one question so that you should not make mistake from today onwards. That means that's why I'm making here itself reduce. That is exceeds by exceeds, right? The word. Take the same question, right? A number. Write the question. A number when divided by 4, comma, it reduced to 21. It reduced to 21. Find the number. Reduced to 21. Reduced to 21. Find the number. Same question, no? Is it same question or different question? Reduced to. That means not by, it is reduced to. Reduced to. That means the meaning of reduced to means it became 21. Right? In the next class, I won't say about this one because it is understood, that is. Okay, reduced to 21 means it became 21. It becomes 21. Whenever when number is there and divided by 4, it became, the value became how much? 21. So x is 84. Those who got 84 in the previous question, actually your answer is correct, but your question is this one. The question is this one. Okay, so reduced to reduced by, that is, both are there. Right? Be cautious, because this simple one we won't discuss in the class generally. Right? Why we made that? Will so many instances will be there where we go reduce to 1/4, increase it by 300%, 3 times. Right? There we revolutionize our subject there, so that you should be very confident while doing the question. That is right. It is not the answer we need, but confidently you should give the, you should jump into the question. That is very important. Reducer increases by, increaser 2, so the value became 21. That is clear. So that's all. That is, this is what right. So around 7 questions we got, 6 or 7, 7 questions. For 6 questions we made the marking, and 7 questions we got. Right. All these things are based on your basic mathematical skills. Okay. Right. Now the thing is, I'll go with one question. Let us see. Right. Mm, the previous, how many people have done with ratio x by y? X by y is equal to 17 is to 25. 17 by 25. Did anybody else done like that? No. No, nobody. Okay. And some people are trying. Okay, let me go with the question, then you can give the answer. Okay. I'm saying it is a 6th class question only. Right? So 6th class question is a normal question only. But it is a question, if you get the answer in half yearly, you won't get the answer in annually. Sometimes if you won't get the answer in half yearly, but you will, luckily you will get in annually. That is, have you experienced this one? That is that question. Take that one. Just let us see what you will do. And I don't need the answer actually, but how you are doing is very important. Let us see. 880 rupees, 880. 880 rupees is divided among 880 rupees is divided among X, Y, and Z, X, Y, and Z, such that X receives 880 rupees is divided among X, Y, and Z, such that X receives or gets, X receives 2 by 9th of what? 2 by 9th of what? Y and Z together receive. Y and Z together receive. And receives, Y receives 5 by 11th of what? Sorry, 1 second. 5 by 6th of what? 5 by 6th of what? X and Z together receive. X and Z together receive. Find the share of Z. Find the share of Z. pen drive లో file. Why? No, pen drive, for pen drive. Huh? ఇప్పుడు yeah, right. Okay. Well, okay. Got the answer. I said question before itself. I said if you get the answer in half yearly, you won't get the answer in annual exam. But now, after learning BTech, after completing BTech, we are not getting the answer. How many of you are BTechs? BTechs. Only two, three. No. Okay. How many of you there is a BSc? BSc this money. BSc what? BSc Life Sciences? Like how many BSc Life Sciences? Good. Which one? Huh? BJC. BJC. Good. And BSc MPCS. Physical science. Okay. You are all MPCS. Very good. Very good. Lucky enough, you didn't do BTech, man. Very good. Okay. BTech is a little bit. BTechs are BTechs only if they are come IITs. Otherwise, it is not BTech. It is a. It is a. That is it is just a waste of time. Just a waste of time. Whatever you have done BSc is really good. Really good. How many of you are from BA? BA. Which BA? Psychology. BA Psychology. Then MA? No, you up to BA. Okay. BA Economics. Who said to learn BA Economics? Where you have done? Vijayawada. Which college? SR. Okay. BA History, Economics, Public Administration. From Narayana Chaitanya. That's what I'm asking. That's why I'm asking. Chaitanya. Which branch? Hyderabad. Boronpet. Boronpeta? Huh? Triple Triple IT? Degree with, that's what. Actually, I am the principal, man. I was the principal for those people, actually, in Borampet. That building, everything, I have taken that one, and I was the principal. Okay. You don't know about that one. Hmm. I came out in 2016. Okay, no problem. Right. That's why if they are BA, economics, history, political, public administration, they are from either both of the cases. Okay, no problem. But they removed they, re, they removed this one. That is also our skill actually there, right? It is we should not direct the people in a wrong direction, right? So that's what the mistake done those people, and from then the downfall started, and now they came to one what I say um, one decision that they are not up to the mark. That is okay, no problem. But you people have some prospects are there. Okay, you can go with PG. First of all, go with PG MCA. Right? Again, we will come to the mainstream. No problem. Those who have done BA, okay, so you come to the mainstream MCA and do that. Okay, then I'll I'll suggest later. First of all, what is your answer? Right? This is the sixth class essay question, 5 marks question. For 105 marks question actually. Okay, no problem. The point is, I don't need actually the answer, but you continued your calculation till that is till you fill the page, no? You fill the page, again you're getting the same. Again you're getting the same, and again you're doing that one. That is what the confidence of BTech actually. But now you say there is a confidence levels like that. Mathematical people will have the confidence that at one end of that is at one point of our life we'll get the answer. You'll have that confidence at any point of time. I'll get the answer. That's why I'll do on, going. You fill up the page, but you won't get the answer. Right? We do that one later. Just now I said here x by y. Just now I said 17 by 25. What do you mean by this one? What do you mean by if x gets 17 rupees, y gets 25 rupees? Together they will take 42 rupees. Difference of their amount is 8 rupees. 17 plus 8. 20. This is the meaning of this one. Okay. Similarly, now give the answer for that. Give the answer. That is what the sentence. It is total amount is there. Okay. Just I'm giving one plan. That's all. That is I'll elaborate later. Just here, x, y, and z they have divided certain amount. That is how much total it is 880. But x receives how much? X receives how much? 2 by 9 of what? Y and z together. So if I make x by y plus z, it is 2 by 9. Na? If I transfer this one, it is 2 by 9 of what? Y and z together is clear. Okay. Now, what is this total? 2 plus 9 is the total amount they have divided. How much? 11. 11 parts equivalent to how much actual amount? 880. What about x share? 2 parts. Forget about that one. Again, come to this one. What is the second one? Y gets how much? 5 by 6 of what? X and Z together. That means I'll put here X and Z. What is the meaning of this one? Again, total out of 11, again, the same Y will get how much? 5. Here it is 11. Here also it is 11. That means they are sharing the same amount, 11 parts. Since 11 parts 880, X takes how many parts? 2 parts. Y takes how many parts? 5 parts. 2 plus 5, 7 is over. The remaining 4. That should be taken by, that is Z. 11 parts 880, 4 parts how much? 11 80s 880, 4 80s, 320 or 420? 320. Right? This is what the answer that is. Okay. So it is answer is 320. How you have taken 11, how directly you are doing that one, everything I will explain later. Okay. but only for what you are about to do, I'm showing that one. Okay, later on, I will go with this one. This is what we call equal ratios. There are so many concepts are there in this one, equal ratio concept. So many will be there, right? Just you write 11 parts, total this is 11, that is 11, that's why 11. X 2 parts, Y 5 parts, Y Z 4 parts, Y Z 2 plus 5, 7 is over. Out of 11, 7 is over, that is good. This much is enough for your aptitude. This level of understanding is enough actually, right? We should not go purely mathematics, but we should apply the logical skills in mathematics. Okay? That is. Actually, this question is a nightmare for my in 6th class. Same question is nightmare in my 6th class. Always this is a problem generally appears, right? But how you didn't get, why you didn't get means that is a technique, that is, okay? The technique only in the exam, we forget the technique. Teacher gives, but we can't do that much in the 6th class, okay? No problem. For you people, I gave this one, that's enough. Okay, now your mathematical skills are tested for today, and for me, I can assess that, okay, you people are, generally I say that is 60, more than 60%, but I can say your class is, I don't know how you are selected, but you are more than 75%. Your skills are, I can give. So brushing up your mind is not a big problem for me, and I'll go in the next level questions for you. Those who don't have the confidence of writing the calculations, just go through the basic school 7th class simple equations. You write that those who are not confident, you write simple equations. Only one chapter will be there. Out of entire book, you'll have online. If you open that one also, you'll get that one. Simple equations. When you, that is, this is for 7th and 8th. In both the cases, it will be simple equations. When you come to 9th and 10th, it is called linear equations. Linear. This is only this chapter. Once you learn this one, forget about this linear equations. You go with only the simple equations. That's enough. Once you learn, that's enough. Those who couldn't form an equation, take that one, right? So because we can't do all the cases, so you brush up all the cases in meanwhile. Now, generally, our evening sessions will be reasoning. Morning sessions will be aptitude, or that is arithmetic part. Okay, maths. Okay, now, is the time is there? Time is there? Still 1 hour is there, no? Okay. See, I'll take only 20 minutes for today, okay? Because first day means maths class. After so many days, right? Okay, now let us go with see, reasoning. Maths is not reasoning actually. So if you go with the reasoning you'll have so many answers. You can have number of answers. Answers will be more. But in mathematics, only one answer should be there. Or we can't determine the answer, that's all. So reasoning, you can have so many ways to get the answer, right? That's why sometimes reasoning questions are deleted from the evaluation purpose, right? Now, while going with the reasoning, the only 3 points what you have to keep in mind, identifying the logic is very important. So how to solve reasoning is just the 3 points you have to keep in mind. How to solve reasoning questions. reasoning questions, right? How to solve is just identify the logic, that is, you have to identify the logic, or what we can say, frame a logic, framing the logic, framing a logic. You have to frame the logic, whatever it is there. Once you frame the logic, you should not directly give the answer. There is one, this is the first step. Second step is confirm the logic. You have to confirm with the second information. Confirming the logic. Confirm the logic. Confirmation. Once it is confirmed, then answer, that is. Then answer based on the logic, that is. Answer based on the logic. These are the main points, but some people will jump directly, framing the logic, and directly jump into the third point directly without confirmation. That is wrong. And you think that, okay, I am getting so fast answers, why this much exercise I am getting wrong? But that is wrong. Always in reasoning, you have to confirm whether your logic is perfectly for all the cases. If it is for diagrammatic, verbal form or non-verbal, both, you should be confirmed. Generally in verbal, there is no chance of confirming. But when you are coming with a non-verbal, diagrammatic questions, you should be very thorough that these points must be in criteria. That is, always identify or framing the logic, then confirm, then give the answer. Clear? Right? So if I go with a basic puzzle test, a missing number test, right? I'll go with the basic missing number test. We have to follow these three rules always. Okay? Now I'll go with that missing number test. Double. This one, not this one. Ekkada? Akkadena? Yeah. WBS. Yeah. First, you write that just till now what is done is, it's a nightmare. Don't leave that one. Okay, whatever it is your teachers, that's all. Now, from now, it is a fresh mind with a fresh confidence, you do the exercise. Here, I said 3, identify the logic, then or frame the logic, then confirm the logic, then give the answer. Here, okay, here, which one will replace the question mark? Okay. Which one will replace the question mark? A2, C4, E6, G3, I5, how much? M5, O9, Q14. See, if you give the answer, you should give the logic also behind that one. Okay? So I'll go with the logic behind this one. Barabar? Arrow? This one, huh? No. Okay, this one, okay. Yeah. Now, how you got answer is K7, 8. Somebody got K7, somebody got K8. K. That is A, C, E. That means A, B missed, C, D missed, E. Okay. G, H missed, I. We should not do directly. I, J missed, K. We should not do that one because you have to go with the next one, whether it is continuing that one. Okay, we got the logic. and you have to frame the same M. N missed O, P missed Q. Yes, confirmation. That's why G, H missed I, J missed K. Okay, you got K, fine. K till K is fine. But is it 7 or 8? Okay, 2, 3 miss 4, 5 miss 6. Here, 3, 4 miss 5, 5 miss 6 miss 7. But that is wrong. But here, 5, 6, 7, 8, everything you miss 9. It is not like that. Something is not. Okay, but we can do one thing. 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 6, confirm. This one with 5 plus 9. Confirmation over. That's why it is 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5, 8. So answer is K8. Clear. Okay. But some people got one idea. Vertical they are seeing. That is 2 plus 3, 5. 4 plus 5, 9. 6 plus how much is 14? 8. But it is wrong. But the logic is wrong. Why? For letters, you should not see horizontally, and for numbers, you should not see vertically again. Once you are making one logic vertically or horizontally, you have to maintain the same for other numbers also. Clear? You may get that one, but the point is you should not do. If that is the case, you have to see for A, G, M are they the same difference or something like that. You have to maintain that logic there. Understood? So you should not miss. You should not take for alphabets row wise and for numbers column wise. Don't do that one. Okay, these are the learning. There is the building blocks of the logic is like this. That is okay. Now this is not a big subject, but point is you should not give the chance for your brain. It will be in the subconscious mind only, right? It will be feed in the subconscious mind. No need to worry about that one. No need to write also, right? But some questions will be there. You have to keep in mind. Let us go with the next one. How to go to the next one? Scroll. Just. Yes. Now this one you write. This one you write. 5, 4, 7 in triangle it is 8. 6, 9, 5 in triangle it is 10. 3, 7, 2. It is not the answers actually we need. Okay. How you are thinking that one and what is the logic behind that one. Annotation, no? Here we are going to get. So you got one answer. How 5, see, the point is nothing is given here. How you are making a relation means there is a commonality between 5, 4, 7 and there is another different. That means making use of 5, 4, 7, you should get some relation with 8. That is the meaning of that one. Nobody says nothing that is, okay. So it is, answer is 6. What is the logic behind that one? Sum divided by 2. Okay, half. Good. That is half you have to say, right? 5 plus 4 plus 7. 5 plus 4 plus 7. That is how much? 16. In this one, half of this one. That is by 2. That is. It is 8. Why you have done by 2 means, okay, if that is the case is half of that one. So next one also half should be that one. So 6 plus 9 plus 5. That is divided by 2. Is it not 10? 9 plus 6, 15 plus 5, 20 by 2, it is 10, right? Simple that is. Since we got identify logic, confirmation, now give the answer. 3 plus 7 plus 2, that is 12 by 2. That's all. That's all. 6 it is. This is the way you have to give the answers Not only in this one, entire logical reasoning, it should be confirmation must be there. Without logic, you should not do. Okay, coding, decoding will be there. There you'll have three different areas. So there also the same thing. Without confirmation, should not give. And some people that generally recently in SSC exams like that, they are giving direct number with one and second one. That's not actually correct. Reasoning always confirmation must be there. The second one, right? That. Oh, okay. Now take the next one. This everybody you write the question. 12, 18, 30, branch 6. There is. You should not give answer directly. I need. You should not give direct answer. You may get the answer, but it's perfectly wrong. First, write the question. Write the question, very important. It is not the answer that is important, it is the logic. What you made with the logic is important. Okay. 10. Next. 9. Any other answers? 10. 9. Okay. Okay. The point is, okay, fine. Let us go with the, how you got 10? 10. How you got 10? How is it? 12. 30 వచ్చింది. 30. 6 5 30. ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చే, దట్ ఈస్ ఇఫ్ యాడ్ దిస్ టూ దట్ ఈస్ 30. ఓకే, 36. This one. This is the question. Answer is 36. 16 plus 24, 40. 8 5s are 40. Some, okay, how that is what? But what is this 40? 40 minus, okay. 8 5s are 40. Okay, 16 plus 25, 40. 8 5s are 40. Okay, something rhythmically. 12 plus 18 is 30. 6 5s are 30. Okay, 45 plus 18 is 60, 63. 63. 45 plus 18 is 63. 40 plus 63 plus 27 is, then it is 90. 90. Somewhere missed. Look, small numbers. One second. Yes. Now, okay, everybody is confident about your answer as 9. How many of you are not confident? Not 9. Yeah. How many of say answer is okay? 9 is answer. What is the logic? So who will say it from here? Multiplication, right? Okay. Answer is 9. How they say is multiplication? Okay, say how? 6 twos are okay, fine. 6 twos are 12. Okay, next 6 twos are 12. Okay, twos. Next 6 threes are 18. Next 6 5s 30. Good. Okay. Now 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 5s. Good. Very good. Okay, fine. So some number twos into 2 should come that one. No, no. Into 5. Why? Into 2 is where? Into 2 here. That number into 2 is here. Into 3 is here. Into 5 is here. We can adjust our logic, sir. For your answer, will you adjust the logics? Never. Never do that mistake. Though you are getting the answer as 9, maybe your answer is right. Logic is wrong. Logic is right. Eh? Which logic? No. Answer is right. Sometimes happens, manager. There is happens. Okay. Now, point is, okay, you got your answer as 9, but logic is wrong. That's why we should not do that one. First of all, remove that one in your brain. Now, you'll say, okay, combine, add. Right, fine. Okay, the next logic is for answer 9 only. Okay, what he says is, now he want to add all the top 12 plus 18 plus 30. Okay, 12 plus 18 plus 30 is how much? 60 divided by 6. Why you divide by 6? Okay, let it be. That is, it is equal to 10 you got. So what? Identify the logic. You have identified the logic. You have to confirm with the second one. Okay, 16 plus 24 plus 40 divided by 8. How much? How much? 40, 80 by 8. Exactly. That is 10. Confirmed. That's why your answer is now 45 plus, yes, 45 plus 18 plus 27 divided by something is, should be 10. What is that something? Let us see. 45 plus 18 plus 27 is 90. 90 divided by how much number is 10? That's all. So answer is 9. Is it convincible? That is convincing answer. That is okay. This is what you should keep in logical reasoning. That is. Never say I am fortunate, always I am lucky, that way I'll get the answer. Don't do that one. Okay, you'll get, sometimes you'll be lucky, no problem. But point is, you should not miss the logics there. Right? This is important. So, clear? Now, that's not a big task. Yes. This will come, again we'll discuss it in our later classes. This one, this is very important. Take this one. You write, first you write the question. Never miss the question first. Okay. You write the same branches. 3, 15, 27, 6, 31, 56, 9, how much? 81. First point is, once you write the question, what you are doing is very important. Which numbers you are making which you are making connectivity? Is it 3, 6, 9 you are making or 3, 15, 27? First of all, confirm this one. Then you do. 3. Are you making a connection between 3, 6, 9 or 3, 15, 27? 369 is wrong because this is another tree. There are three trees. These are branches, that's all. So you have to make relation between these only. Clear? Make a relation between them. 45. See, those who get 45 should get the logic also. I'm asking about the logic also. 45. 3 plus 27 by 2. Oh, 30 by 2, 15. Okay, good. That is 3 plus 27, top and 3 plus 27 by 2. You get 15, good. 6 plus 56 divided by 2, okay, 31. 6 plus 56 divided by 2 is 31, good. Middle number you got, is it not? So 9 plus 81 divided by 2. How much it is? Simple thing, that is we got simple thing. Good. If the question is like this, your answer is the logic. How the logical way of explaining is this one. But you write no, but you write first. You write the answer and give the answer as 45. Okay. Now, if I change the question as you write next question in the same manner, 3, 5, 27, 6, 31, 56. Same, 6, or else you know, shall I remove this? Okay, good. So you're up to the mark. I think you people are, you have been selected based on your percentage of degree marks or any test conducted? Any test like that? Just you came all the way directly like that. You with interview, okay, okay, okay. There is something is there. Well, fine, good. Now, you see, same 3, 15, 27 you put, 6, 31, 56 also you keep. Here 9, here put 49. 49, how much? This is how much? Question here, this one. Who said 80? 89. Who said? She said. Who said? You said. Previous one you didn't get the answer, no? Previous one you didn't get. What is the answer? This one, bottom. 81. No. I have to see your calculations. What you are doing? Huh? Previous, who said the answer? Average, you said. Why you not? Why not getting the answer? ఏమొచ్చింది ఆన్సర్? ఏదో వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్. ఏదైనా వేరే లాజిక్ ఏమైనా వస్తుందా? ఆన్సర్స్ ఇస్తున్నారా? అవునా? ఎంత? గుడ్ గుడ్. ఓకే 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 ఓకే. సి అసలు the point is, right, nothing is there in the question, just I change the number, that is bottom, how you get the answer, right? The point is here, if you are purely mathematical, you should get the answer, na? Because previous question, why you got the answer? Because top and bottom for everything is there, that's why you could do the answer. But now top and bottom is not there, top and middle is there, how to get bottom? Now, see, 3 plus 27 by 2, 15. 2 plus 56 by 2 is 31. 9 plus x, put that divided by 2, 49. 9 plus x is what? 90? 90? 98. X is how much? 98 minus 9, 81. 80? 80? Our brain won't accept subtractions. That is everybody's problem. Somebody said 81. That is only because of subtraction failure, that is. Okay. Nothing is there in this one. It is only your brain test. Okay. Our brain won't accept negativity generally. That's why our brain doesn't accept subtractions. Don't do subtractions. Never do subtractions. Do subtractions in terms of additions. Then it will be easy. Okay, I'll let you learn about that one. Okay, never do subtractions. 81 minus 98 minus 9 is a big problem, no? Taking 1 from here, 18 minus 9, that is gone. 90, sometimes it's become 99 also. Okay, leave that one. Point is, I need such logics where you have done previous, some people must have done like this. For this one, there is not the case. This is actually purely mathematics. I said logical reasoning is not mathematics actually, but you are doing all these things with the X methods. That is wrong. Though the answer is right, I don't know. How to do this one in logical sense, right? Okay, you see, 3 plus how much is 15? 3 plus how much is 15? 3 plus 12 is 15. 15 plus how much is 27? Plus 12. The difference between these two is same. Now come to the second one. 6 plus how much is 31? 25. 31 plus how much is 56? 25. Okay, now definitely, since this is the case, that means the difference is always constant. Top difference, bottom difference is constant. Top difference is constant. Now take 9 plus how much is 49? 40. 49 plus how much is 40 plus, that is 49 plus 40 should become, is this one is correct or this logic is correct? This logic is correct for logical reasoning. Though this is mathematically God, but this is correct. Okay, take this logic. Sometimes this is nothing but average concepts. Average concepts. You write this one Boats and streams, we do the same style. In time and distance, boats and streams entire, we do the same style. That means the topic once I said about boats and streams, upstream, still water speed, downstream speed. That's all. Everything is same. We use the same branch for that one, that is boats and stream. Okay, but logically, if you do this one, you have to do in this manner only, right? That is why 12 and 12 won't come. It won't come, but the difference and this difference should be equal. That's all. This difference are constant, equal. That's why 40 and here also 40. 49 minus plus 40 is 89. Clear? Right. So, though it is a simple thing, we are making this one into, right, little bit logical. That is very important. So many answers will be there, so many methods will be there, but logically you should be perfect to think like that. Should be perfect in logical way only. Okay. That is all the things. Sometimes you will get the answers knowingly or unknowingly without a reason, right? It doesn't mean that it doesn't mean that you are always correct for reasoning. Okay, and the reasoning questions always takes time. Though nothing subject is there here, but took time, na? It took time. Somebody even left the question also. Previous question you have done, now you couldn't do that one. Okay, the point is like that only. Reason takes time, but you can get the answer. Arithmetic learning takes time, but answer will be simple. Okay, these two will be there. So judge which one is better. In the exam, we can't decide. So whichever question comes, whether it is reasoning or arithmetic, that is, we will go and depending on the that is what you call the uh, weightage of the question or the complexity of the question, we decide there. Complexity, that is, okay, depends. Like, so this is the way you have to keep in mind. So shall we do another two questions? We'll do two questions on, right? Okay. See how the influence of the logic also appears. Sometimes what happens is logic. Even online people are giving good answers, right? Somebody got 140 something like that, na? How you got 140? Okay, 9 plus 49, another 49, huh? Okay, maybe that is the case. Okay, good. Okay, no problem. Right? Right? It should be logically perfectly wrong also, no problem. Sometimes logically, sometimes you will miss the logics there, right? So you will manage the logic just like adjusting 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. You are making into 5 into 2 into 3. Adjusting the logics is sometimes happens. We do that when the coding decoding also later, right? Now, you write the question first, right? Then give the answer. 5, 6, you put 3 circles. In between, this is first you draw the circles, top 3 branches, bottom 3. Is it visible for you, all the people? Between 492. Top 568. Bottom 749. Between 492. Top 754. Bottom 689. Between 572. 435. 725. Question mark. This is a question mark. Between the question mark. some people are waiting for options. In reasoning, we should not see options. Arithmetic, you can go with the options. Never based on options, you should not see reasoning. Reasoning, never try with options. What? The meaning of this question is by making use of the set of that is 568 and 749, you have to make this 492. That's all. You should get one result as 492. It is unsaid. Using 568 at once and 749 at once, you should get 492 as the answer. $130. $130. Generally, reasoning skills will be more for girls. Mathematical skills are more for boys. This is a R&D done by me. Okay, I have seen all the cases. Reasoning capabilities are more for generally. The girls will have the more reasoning. That's why they go with the reasoning-based questions like that. Arithmetic they can't, but generally boys go with the arithmetic skills more. Okay, good. So here everybody got 130, na? You people got 130, and there only one person. Okay, 30. Okay, fine. Leave that. You won't get. No. Leave that. No problem. See, I'm saying one point is there. No. Don't feel. You leave the question. No problem. Just I'm giving the answer. Just see. Be happy, right? Don't leave. No problem. Point is, there is another question is there. I'll let you know about that. See. How you got 492 is I make use of 568 and 749 to get 492. 492 is a big number. So will I get this answer by multiplying or by just adding? First, that is the point. So 5 into 6 into 8. If I multiply this one, that is how much? 5 6 30. 36 is 240. That is top 240, bottom sum, if you see it is 252. If you give this one, this 252, both added, you will get a 492. And some people directly jump to they didn't identify even this one because this much answer will get only with this one means no need of an even confirmation. Directly you are jumping to the answer and getting the answer. How many of you done without confirmation got the answer now? But 130, yeah, right. I know that one. But even then, do the same exercise. 7 into 5 into 4, 140. Okay. Next, 6 8 48 into 9. How much? 490. 430. 432. Good. So it is how much? 572. Clear? Now, 4 into 3 into 5, that's why it is 60. 7 into 2 into 5, 70. 60 plus 70, that is. Generally, reasoning questions, none of these won't be the answers. Always keep this one in mind. Always reasoning questions will be the answers. That is the nearest answers also will be there. Never trust based on the option based. Your answers will be there. None of these won't be the answer for reasoning. Okay? Now you got the answer. Everyone fine. Right? You are trying the answers all the second and this one. You are trying the answer. Are you finding this one logic? No. You are trying this one or you have done 5 square, 6 square. You have done now. That's why you're mathematical now. That's why I said no. You'll go in that direction. That's why I stop. I'm saying you are doing the same thing. Okay, no problem. When I said stop means you stop there. Okay. Now you see. Now you see. Take the next question. Now everybody now understood now the format of the question. How we are come right? So let us take this one. Yeah. Take this one. First you draw the first you write the question. 915 364 middle 551 second 543 bottom 789 between 246 total 863 241 241 between what is the answer? Amen. 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 So good online. Some Teja and Abhishek have given the answer as 130. The previous question. Okay, you try. See, whenever you come to live classes only, it will be there is learning process will be good when you go to the live classes, right? 620. Hmm. Hmm. You gave the logic. Eh? You helped him. Huh? You got your own logic. Eh? 622. See, those who got 622 now, actually you didn't get the answer previous question, no? That is why? Because th now those who got previous, so many people got previous answer. Now you didn't get the answer here. Is it not? That is, it is not the question, it is a influence of previous question logic that was kept, that is going in this one. You are trying in the same manner, multiplying, that is dividing something square. I said square. Okay, let us try for square. How you will get that one, right? We are not getting that one. Why? Because we should not think like that. Okay, but the point is here, sometimes what happens is some people got one idea, you got 622, you got 622. Okay, no, here 4 and 8 difference, no, 4, 8 difference, middle one, middle one. Okay, 5 and 7 difference, 2, 3 and 9 difference. Did anybody got this idea? No, no, this idea. This idea you got. That's why you got the answer. Both logics, confirm. But this one and 6 difference. Okay, good. So there is nothing in this one question because that is it is just 915 minus 364. Nothing you should do here. It is 551. It seems a little bit right inconvenient, but you have to digest that one. Okay. The thing is, nothing you have to do. Just make the. I can see this one. 543, 789. The difference I'm saying. Difference, that is 789 minus 543. That is how much this is? 247. 246. So your answer is 863 minus 241. 622. Understood, right? So though the diagram is same, logics are different. The influence of previous logic, nobody got from here, that is 622 here, from here. Why? Because influence of that one, that's all. And why you got? Because previously you didn't get that thing. That is so. The point is here. You have to keep one thing in mind. In exam, sometimes you go on practice for the reasoning, but in exam hall you won't get the answers. Sometimes you don't do anything that is that one, but in the exam hall you will get the answer. It is only because of a presence of mind, that is on that day how your brain works. That's all. That is the situations, everything matters there for reasoning, not for arithmetic. There is for reasoning, everything matters. Suddenly you're while going to the exam hall, something mishap happened, and you have seen that one that will work on your brain in the exam hall, that won't allow you to get the reasoning questions there. Okay, but regarding arithmetic, nothing happened, but your calculation, paisa mein paramatma, everything there is calculation means you will get the answers. Okay, so always that is only the your situation matters there. This is what's why it's called mental ability. That is, so mental aptitude that matters there. Okay, so don't worry about for today whatever we done, but something we have learned, is it not? So what the reasoning is, what the arithmetic skills are there, what we learn in our basic school studies, also we have done, and today we have made. I said basic precepts of your reasoning. You should not miss the confirmation of the logic always. Be cautious about that one. For today, I'll stop here. Right. So tomorrow we'll take the class morning sessions. Arithmetic, mathematics is better, and the evening we'll take the reasoning part like that. Okay. And how many of you know? That means for arithmetic, definitely you should learn tables. How many tables we learn? How many tables we openly? 13th day, 15th day, 13th day, you know that 13 sixes gone. 13 eights, 13 eights, 13 eights, 8 threes, 24, 8 ones, 104. Right? So, but point is, see, even if I say in books they'll say up to 20 tables you must learn like that. But even if you say you won't do that one, without that one you can clear the exams, no problem. But the point is, you learn the tables up to ninth table. How many of you are not confident till ninth table? That is little bit worried thing. Okay, so you go on try that one. And okay, 12th table means definitely okay. 11th table we know, that's why 12th table also we can know. Okay, 11 9, but we don't need 11th and 12th. We need up to 10 tables or 9 table, that's enough. Okay, and what is 13 fours? 13 fours, 14 threes, 14 threes. That's what. 14 threes 52, 13 fours 52. This is what the problem that is. Huh? Right? The point is here. I can't. Problem. The problem is not right. There is. It is only the problem is 13 fours. 13 fours means how much you said? 52. 52. Okay. 14 threes. 42. Is it same or different? Okay. Oh, 17 sixes. One zero. 16 sevens. First of all, you should bring this one here. You should bring the 7 sixes, 42, 717. Where is that 4? How much? One. That is, but that is not the way to give the answers. Okay, the point is something is there. So how to learn how to give the multiplication is not this way. What you do is right. See, fourth table. That's all enough. Here, 13 fours, it should be divided as 10 fours and 3 fours. That's all. 10 fours how much? 3 fours, 40, 12. That is enough. That is enough, right? Always keep this one in mind. Never do 13 table. That is 10 fours, 40, 40. And you do one thing. 40 rupees. You give your brain 40 rupees. If money is there, it will catch that one. Your brain catches. Okay, 40 rupees. Next 3 fours, 12 rupees. So 40 plus 12 rupees, 50. You won't say 51 and 54 also, right? Because rupees. Okay, now say 14 threes. 10 threes, 30 rupees, 4 threes, 12 rupees. 30, 12. Happy. Now, 17 sixes, 10 sixes, 60 rupees. 7 sixes, 42 rupees. Okay, 60, 42. That's this much is enough for your multiplications. Nothing more than this one. Always you do practice like this, you will get the multiplications easily. That's all. You won't give wrong answers first of all. It takes time, but you won't give wrong answers. For 13 fours, you are going somewhere. No, for 17 sixes. You are doing because why? Because in your brain something works like that. Because in subconscious mind. Okay. Always keep this one in mind. For multiplications, this is the best way to go. Okay. So suppose 23 fours is there. 23 fours, we don't know, but 20 fours, 80 rupees. 3 fours, 12 rupees. 80, 12, that's enough. This much is enough. For entering into aptitude, this much is enough. Okay? So tomorrow we can resume our class. Okay, for today we'll stop here, and all the best for tomorrow night. Good night. Thank you. Thank you. I have to stop. Huh?